Welcome to Jiran Math Academy. Dear friends, in this video I am going to show you how to solve this example number 2 uh, in exercise 1.1 from 10th class. So observe that use Euclid division lemma to show that any positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3 where q is some integers. Here try to understand the problem what is given here. First of all, Euclid division lemma. So what is Euclid division lemma? See here, the Euclid division lemma mean A is equal to BQ plus R. It means A, B are positive integers. There exists satisfying this condition. A is equal to BQ plus R. Q and R also positive integers. That R, the remainder R is lies between 0 and B. So this is the Euclid division lemma. In this Euclid division lemma, is it satisfying or not? See here, question given clearly Euclid division lemma. This is a condition of Euclid division lemma, and see here, show that any positive odd integer, that is odd is given. Why here odd only given? It is a first question, and the integer is of the form of 4q plus 1. Here 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3 is given. 1 and 3 is given, not given even numbers. Here odd given, that's why 1, 3 is given. Why here given 4 only? 4. See here 4. In 4 table, see here 4 table, 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24. Like this is a 4 table. In this 4 table, I am going to return like a Euclid division lemma. So here 4 means A, 4 means A, and also B. B means here 4 is all constant. So 4 is B here, and also Q 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. These are all integers. So in this place I am going to take in Q. Why? Because in this condition given Q is a positive integer. So see here all are positive integers. So Q. So overall, what do you say here? 4 is even or odd? We should call it is even. What do you call 8? 8 is even. 12 is even. 16 is even. 20 even. 24 even. 28 even. 32 even. 36 even, and 40 even. So that's why if these are all even, what do you call 4q? 4q is also even. Now come to here. So if I adding 4 into 1 plus 1, we should get 5. So in the 5, 19, 13, 17, 21, 25, 29, in this place I am going to take A. Again applying Euclid division lemma. So 4 is constant, you should write 4. And here integers, positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this place I am going to substituting taking Q, and plus 1 is constant, so take 1. Now here what will you get? So see here 5 is odd and 9 is odd. It means if I am multiplying 4 2 times and adding 1, we should get 9 is a odd. 4 3 is a 12 plus 1 13. So it is odd, and 17 odd, 21 odd, 25 odd, 29 odd, 33 odd, 37 odd, 41 odd. If these are all odd, what do you say? 4q plus 1 is also odd positive integer. Odd positive integer. So 4q plus 1 is odd positive integer. That's why given clearly 4q plus 1 is odd integer. Which type of positive odd integer it is? Okay, come to here. So 6, 10, 14, 18, 24, sorry 22, 26, 30, 34, 38 and 42. In this place all are changing the values. That's why I am going to take A. And which is constant here? 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. So 4 is constant, so take 4. And see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are all integers. Which type of integer? Positive integer. In this place I am going to take Q. And plus, which is constant? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, all are 2, 2, 2 adding. So take 2. And then what is it? So 6 is a even. If I adding 4 ones are 4 plus 1, 4 plus 2, we should get even. So it is also even. 4 2 4 3 is even. if adding 2. Next here also 18 even, 22 even, 26 even, 30 even, 34 even, 38 even, 42 even. If all are even, what do you say? 4q plus 2 is also even. And come to here. So if I adding 3, we should get 7, 11, 15, 19, 23, 27, 31, 35, 39, 43. So 4, 10 and plus 3. If adding plus constant number 3, 3, 3, we should get odd numbers. So odd, 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 odd number, odd number, odd number, odd number. So here 7, 11, 15, 19, 23. These are all changing the values. That's why I'm going to take A. So here 4, 4, 4, 4 is there. So constant number 4. So take 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are all integer. Which type of integer? Positive integer. That's why in this place I am going to take Q. So taking Q. And then which are constant? So 3 is constant value. So take 3. So if all are odd, what do you say? This also odd positive integer. Odd positive integer. It means 4q is even, 4q plus 1 is odd, and 4q plus 2 is even, 4q plus 3 is odd. So here raise one more question. Why we not taking 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever it may be, remainder as a remainder? So here last remainder is 3. It means 4q plus 3. Why we can't taking 4q plus 4 and 4q plus 5, 4q plus 6, 4q plus 7? So see here. See in this Euclid division lemma. So A is equal to 4q plus R. So R is lies between 0 and 4. So this R, this remainder always lies between 0 and 4. It means 0 and 4 mean what will you get the remainders? So 0, 0 equal, and 1, 2 and 3. So not taking 4. Why? Because it is less than 3. So these are all only coming remainders. These are all only coming remainders. That's why given clearly in our question. So this is given, that is a 4q plus 1 remainder, 4q plus 2, 4q plus 3, and it is 4q plus 0, nothing but 4q. So in our question giving only 4q plus 1 and also 4q plus 3. These two is not given, but asking about these two. Now let us start solve this problem. So let A be any positive integer. Let A is any positive integer and B is equal to 4. So B is equal to 4. Let A is any positive integer and B is equal to 4 by using Euclid division lemma. By using Euclid's division lemma, so what is the Euclid division lemma? We know that A is equal to BQ plus R, where R lies between 0 and B. So now here given in the place of B is 4, so substitute in the place of B is 4, so we should get A is equal to 4q plus R. Then R lies between 0 and in the place of B is 4. So R means positive, R means remainders. So all possible remainders are so less than 0. That's why 0, 1, 2 and last 3 means less than 4. Given clearly less than 4 means 3 only. So here when r is equal to 0, then apply here in this equation a is equal to 4q plus r. In the place of r you substitute 0. What will you get here? A is equal to 4q. What do you call this 4q? 4q is even. And then when r is equal to 1, now substituting in the place of r is equal to 1, it means equation a is equal to 4q plus r. In the place of r substitute 1. What will you get? This is 4q plus 1. What do you call 4q plus 1? It is odd. I already explained. And when r is equal to, substitute in the place of r is equal to 2 in this equation, it means 4q, a is equal to 4q plus r means 2 substitute. What do you call, if written like this, 4q plus 2 is even. Clearly there is even. And then when r is equal to 3, so a is equal to 4q plus 3. So what do you call this 4q plus 3? So we should call it is odd. I already explained 4q plus 3 is odd. So what is here given condition? See here, you can show that any positive odd integer. These are all how many positive odd integer is given here? 4q plus 1 and also 4q plus 3 only odd. 4q plus 1, 4q plus 3 only add. So our conclusion is thus any positive odd integer is of the form is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. After completing the conclusion, you should draw with the scale and pencil, draw a box to the conclusion. So this is the conclusion. I hope you understood. Thank you. Thanks for watching.